All right, guys, we are underway in our group 90-day detox. I am so excited. So I am going to introduce you to your friends. This is your core cellular prep. This is what you guys ordered, and I want to run through each one of them. We're going to do this in the group, but this is just a small tidbit if you want to go back and not have to go through the whole video. So R2. R2 is going to give you cell membrane support. This is going to be all of your nutrients to help feed a good, healthy cell membrane. Yes, you're going to do that in the cell membrane diet, but this is to give you where you may be depleted. So next is going to be R3, R5, which is methylation support. Methylation, again, remember that is the ability to get toxin in and outside the cell, as well as DNA replication and hormones balancing in and out of the cell. So this is going to be all of your different B vitamins, trimethylglycine, betaine, and phosphatidylcholine. So next is going to be your inflam4, so inflammatory support. And these are your top cellular detox. This is upstream. So downstream, we're going to look at drainage enhancement. So that's going to be fourth here. That is going to be liver, kidney, lymph, colon. We want all of those to be moving, and this is going to support that drainage output. And then lastly is gut enhancement. We're going to start putting back good beneficial bacteria into the gut and start to heal any type of leakiness within the bowel, because we want you to absorb your nutrients and to have less inflammatory effects from the foods that you eat. So these are our core that we're starting with. You will use this in your body and your brain, but when we go into those phases, we're going to be adding chelators and binders. So if there's any other questions, and I will, you can always message us about that. But the beautiful thing is each one of these, you're going to take 2 a day, and you can split them up or you can put them together. These 4 you can take with and without food. The only one I want you to take on an empty stomach is your drainage enhancement, and I want you to do that, your gut enhancer. Take that at the beginning of the day on an empty stomach, 30 minutes to an hour before food, just to kind of prime the system. But everything else can be taken together, and you can take 1 to 2 a day. Always start low and slow, and start with 1. You can add in 1 at a time so that you can figure out if you're going to respond to any of these in a negative way. That doesn't mean that it's completely negative. It's just, I don't want you to put 2 in, and really your dose needs to be 1. And we can also, don't put all of them in together at one time. If we add in 1 at a time, we can see one that you may be more problematic with. I hope this was helpful, and